The Phrozen Sonic Mega 8K is a high-performance MSLA resin 3D printer designed for professionals who demand both precision and large-scale production. With its massive build volume and ultra-high resolution, it is ideal for studios, businesses, and creators who want to produce detailed models quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its massive productivity capacity. With a large build plate measuring 33 by 18.5 by 30 centimeters, this printer can produce up to 80 detailed 132 scale miniatures in just 90 minutes. This makes it an excellent choice for commercial environments where speed and batch production are essential. Another key advantage is its high-speed printing technology. By combining advanced ACF, all-cutter fluoropolymer, film with TR300 high-speed resin, the printer can achieve speeds up to 10 times faster than standard mid-size resin printers. This not only boosts efficiency, but also increases reliability by reducing suction force and improving print success rates during continuous operations. The printer also features a space-saving, user-friendly design. Its lift-up lid allows easy access to prints while minimizing the space required around the machine. This makes it especially useful for professional workspaces where every inch of space matters. Additionally, it includes a zero-waste workflow system with a built-in metal drip hanger. After printing, users can hang the build plate to let excess resin drip back into the vat. This helps maintain a cleaner workspace, improves safety during handling, and reduces material waste, ultimately saving costs over time. In conclusion, the Phrozen Sonic Mega 8K stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for anyone looking to scale up their resin 3D printing operations. Its combination of speed, precision, and smart design features makes it a top-tier choice for professional and industrial use.